Hi, you're welcome or you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to update your DaVinci Resolve to the latest version. I recently updated my DaVinci Resolve, but that was when I checked it online and then I realized that many people are experiencing this same issue. So I'm going to show you how I would update my DaVinci Resolve to the latest version. Now you have two options. Typically when you open your DaVinci Resolve, now I am using the latest version of the DaVinci Resolve, which automatically makes it that I am not going to get a pop-up. But when you are, when you have the latest version, or if there is a newer version to this software, you will receive a pop-up on your DaVinci Resolve software that you need to update it. It will often include a link to download the updates, and all you just need to do is to follow the link to download the updates. But if you don't get a pop-up, then maybe there is another option that you can explore. But whether you get a pop-up or whether you just want to update it and without going through your DaVinci Resolve app, there is one thing you will always do, and that is you will always come to Blackmagic Design, the website of the official website of DaVinci Resolve. And I feel that's one of the few things I don't like about the software, because if you need to download, or if you need the latest version, instead of just updating it and just having those additions, you would have to download the complete file in order for you to continue to use it. So you'd have to come to support. If you already have the app, then you might not need to come through this route. If the pop-up shows up on your app, then you might not need to come through this route. You will just get sent to a link where you can download a newer version. But if that is not the case, then you can just come to support. After you leave the home page, go to support and then scroll down and look for DaVinci Resolve, the latest version. So this looks like the latest version, the 18.6.2 version. It was released on 10th of October 2023. Now it means that in the future, when you would likely follow the same route, the version might be different because they are updating it regularly. So you want to look for the one that the latest updates, and then download that update, whether on your Mac OS or Windows or Linux operating system. When you click on the specific operating system, you will be shown to a page like this, for example. So you will be required to enter all of these details, register and download. And as soon as you download, you are going to be downloading around 2 GB file that includes basically the video editing software, DaVinci Resolve. So it is going to show up in your downloads like this. So it will most likely first come in form of a zip folder, basically a zip folder. So you'd have to unzip it. Basically extract it or unzip it, whichever one you do. So you unzip it, and let's just give it a moment so that it's complete unzipping. It's pretty large a file, so it might take a while to completely unzip and extract. So, and that is it. So after extracting it, you should get a app like this. You just double click and you proceed to installing it. So even if you already have the app on your system, you will need to follow the same route. Download it, and it will automatically delete the older one and then install this new one. If you don't, then you might follow this route. Well, basically what you will realize is whether you already have the app installed on your system, whether you get a pop-up on your DaVinci Resolve video editing app, or you don't, you would need to go to the website to download the latest version and then install it. And this is the route to go to have it downloaded. I have the latest version, so I wouldn't really waste your time trying to install it. But basically this is all you need. Just follow the prompt and you should be good. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has been able to help you with your DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel so that at least it encourages us to make newer videos. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.